In this video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS 9 device, mainly 32-bit devices like iPhone 4s, iPhone 4, iPad 2 and some other devices. So as you can see, my phone is running on iOS 9.3.6. So today I'm going to jailbreak this device. Actually I want to downgrade this device to iOS 6, so it needs jailbreak to downgrade. So today I'm going to jailbreak this device. So as you can see, it's running on iOS 9.3.6. so for this, what you just need 3 U tools to do that. So I'll be showing you in the 3 U tools how to do that. So firstly, you have to connect your device to your computer and let it rest. So if they pop up any trust or something else, so you need to trust the device. So as you can see, my phone is connected here, and if I go to toolbox, as you can see, it's not jailbroken, so I need to go to toolbox. And if I go there, as you can see here, there is a mark here like jailbreak. So just click on the jailbreak and it will show the proper jailbreak tool for that. So it will highlight that one. So as you can see, support jailbreak 32-bit device, iOS 9.3.5 and 9.3.6. So you just click this one and start jailbreak. It will take I think only 1 minute, not more than that. So main thing, actually it will install the app which allow you to install Cydia. So as you can see, it's completed. So now you have to go back to your phone. So you don't need PC anymore, just OK, and you can close it. So now we can come to phone. So if you come to phone, you can see here that there is a pop-up here. So you need Wi-Fi to be turned on to verify this thing. So I need to turn on my Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's connected, so just click on that, and as you can see, Ponix, and trust the source. As you can see, it's trusted. Now what you have to do is just go back to the home screen and turn off your Wi-Fi. Then what you have to do, just click on Ponix, then prepare for jailbreak, accept, dismiss this one. So proceed with jailbreak. Then it may fail first time, but in the second time I think you can do that. So bring installation and use provided, and as you can see, it's jailbreaking now. In first time it can be failed, so you need to try again. As you can see, it's now rebooting my device. As you can see, actually it's very easy to do how jailbreak, and there is also another way how you can do what it called jailbreak without any computer. Because it's too complicated, I don't want to waste time on that. So I have PC, so I'm using my PC to jailbreak my device. So it's really easy to do with PC rather than using some sources from online and other things. So as you can see, it's now let me see, Cydia installed or not. Yeah, as you can see, it's installed the Cydia. So if I go to the Cydia, does it work? I need to turn on Wi-Fi. Hopefully it's jailbroken. I don't know what's going on. with the phone, or Wi-Fi network is not so good. Could be that too. Yeah, it's jailbroken. So as you can see, the CD app store is installed. Now you can install whatever source you want or whatever apps you want. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time.